Rich work terbang atas langit, tapi jangan takut jatuh bila nak mula mendarat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat.
How are you, Carol?
Okay lagi sekarang.
It's okay. Before we start, bagus kalau Puan boleh share sikit your feeling today, this morning. How you feel, excited ke macam mana? Just share anything.
Tapi I'm excited for today's session also lah, sebab I need the clarity. Sebab banyak masalah saya kan yang saya tak boleh selesai, ataupun mungkin Dot ada cara yang lebih baik untuk selesaikan masalah ni.
Alright, Carol, kita dah start. I wish you all the best. I hope this session akan bantu you lebih. Okay, alright, all the best.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Carol.
Good morning, Dot.
Good morning.
I'm nervous.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Kalau you tak ready pun I ready. So let's start.
Okay.
I want to just a very quick recap on your business. So that needs your, because ini adalah sesi, this is your first session, right?
Yes.
So I want to understand very quickly how long you've been doing this, Carol the Beauty.
Okay. I've been doing this business since May 2018.
2018.
Yes.
This is not your own product, right?
Bukan. Company dia nama
you're running like
agent.
You're running like a sales team lah.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, I'm under Me Team. Me Team is founded by Edric. Edric ada kat Sapphire tu last year.
Yeah. Where's your base? I mean, which negeri mana?
KL.
Oh, KL. Okay. Overall, your sales tahun ni sampai bulan 6 sudah sampai sekarang sudah 1 juta berapa?
1 juta 1.03.
1.03. So your target for this year, I have the figure here, but I'm not sure it's true or not. It's 2 million.
Yes. Tapi I want to, actually I want to target 3 million lah.
You should. 300 orang, kalau setiap orang boleh jual 2,000 sebulan, you pandai kira tak?
600k.
You pakai钱你可以 600,000.
Wah.
I will help you to structure back you punya timing and team. I want you to aim. Of course, you nak tadi 3 juta setahun. Tapi saya confidently, as a titan, I will bring you insyaAllah sampai you buat 1 juta sebulan. Paling kurang.
Waduh.
Tak apa. That's why you're the mentor mah.
Ya, nasib baik.
Sifu, okay?
Sifu, yes. Okay, then that's all I want to ask.
Alright, I'll see you in ICM.
Thank you, Dot.
Alright,
thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. Dot, kejap. Ambil gambar. Ayo.
Yeah.
Saya nak ambil gambar.
Cepat sikit.
Cepat sikit. Nasib baik. Kejap. Sudah. Thank you, Dot.
So I want to say congratulations because you punya journey I tengok daripada dalam kelas slowly dan sekarang sudah jadi titan. So I want you to commit.
Dari belakang.
Yeah, but it's okay. I want you to commit. I want to see you progress. Okay?
Thank you, Dot.
Alright, thank you. Bye. Bye.
Rich work terbang atas langit, tapi jangan takut jatuh bila nak mula mendarat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat, bekalah semangat. Rich work got your back, bekalah semangat.